NDAX pricing explained what you get for your money. NDAX is a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange, but most people get this wrong by assuming all exchanges have the same fees and features. The surprising truth is that NDAX combines competitive pricing with strong security and a simple trading experience, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced traders. Opening an NDAX account is free, and there are no deposit fees for inter-e-transfers or bank wire deposits. Trading fees are based on a maker-taker model, starting at 0.20% per trade for takers and 0.10% for makers. High-volume traders may qualify for reduced fees. For example, buying 0 of Bitcoin would cost about in fees if you're a taker. Withdrawals incur a small fee depending on the cryptocurrency, typically covering network transaction costs. NDAX supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, and several stablecoins, offering sufficient variety for most Canadian investors. The platform provides cold storage for digital assets and two-factor authentication to ensure security. The surprising truth is that NDAX also integrates tax reporting and user-friendly tools to simplify portfolio management, something many other Canadian exchanges don't offer. This makes it easy to track trades, calculate gains, and remain compliant with regulations. In conclusion, NDAX offers a competitive, secure, and user-friendly platform for Canadians looking to trade cryptocurrency. With transparent fees, reliable security, and useful tools for portfolio management, it provides strong value for your money. Understanding the fee structure and available features ensures you get the most out of your NDAX experience.